Varla reached out to me recently. Hey, what's up, Yeds? Varla reached out to me. I made a video with their Wasp. We'll pull that out. The Varla Wasp. I made a video with Charlotte. We unboxed it out here, and they, as soon as they saw the video, they said, hey, can we send you the Falcon? So this is the Varla Falcon. It's front wheel drive. Ooh, it looks nice. We're gonna bust it open. It's not gonna be much of a job. But look at this. Look how nice. Yeah, we're gonna bust this open. I think it's another last mile scooter. It's front wheel drive. It's not gonna be a high performance one, but I do like the Wasp. The Wasp only goes 16. Easy. Dude, it's like it's done. It's unboxed. Dude, it's packaged in here like a gun. It's like a cool gun from The Fifth Element. Alright, that's it. Okay, well, at least it's a dual suspension front wheel drive scooter. I see a cable. This is odd. I have never seen something like this before. Long brake line cable, mechanical brake line. There's this. Do I just stick that down there? Oh, okay, maybe I just stick this down here till it pops out in the back. Yo, that's wild. I have never had to do this. Wow. You just pull the cable out the bottom. Okay, that was not hard. I guess I gotta bring you guys down here. Come down to my level, y'all. Okay, wow, okay. We're going back up. We're going back up, everybody. Honestly, we just gotta throw these 4 bolts in and it's ready to go. So all we did was throw the handlebars on, slide a cable all the way through the frame, connect it to the brake, dial it in. Well, let's make sure it turns on. Nice. I think we're done. Ah! Did you enjoy that? Oh, hold up. Hold up. All right, my GoPro overheated. Isn't that just so shocking? So shocking. I don't know where it cut off, but check this thing out. We got it all set up. This is the Varla Wasp that we just opened up. Not too long ago. I actually love this thing. It's very slow. Literally goes 16 miles an hour, but it's super light and it folds up really small. This thing also pretty small, but I just rode this around and it's no joke. Let's lift it up here though. So it is heavier, obviously, but it's not crazy heavy. Do we dare fold it? Has a little thing down here. Okay. See, so this is not bad. This is like, I wouldn't want to carry that up some steps, but on a train, I wouldn't mind. I just drove this thing around and it's not kidding around. Okay, you that's the light. Double click to change mode. That's D, and that's normal mode. Now this is sports mode. Check this thing out. Leave a comment down below how fast you think this thing goes, just based on looking at it. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Okay, let's go. Oops. Oh, you have to give it a bit of a kick to start. Doing a burnout. Did you see that? Doing a burnout in sports mode. Okay, this thing takes off. It burns out in sports mode. And it is only front wheel drive, but I got this thing up to 22. And it gets there quick. Oh, turn. We're going off-roading. Oh boy. Okay, I did chill on the throttle. I'm not trying to eat it. Not trying to eat it out here, but this is an interesting scooter. Because the Pegasus, right? The Pegasus I like because it looks like a bird and it's dual wheel drive and it hauls ass. It goes 32. That thing is super heavy. This thing is less heavy. It's only front wheel drive, but it'll still smoke a bird. And it's not a bad ride either. It has like real air in them. It's not those explosion proof tires. It's quiet. It looks cool enough. Also, it has heavy regen. So that's the brake, but it brakes like an Onyx. If you pull it a little bit, you'll feel the regen kick in. I think I might like this scooter. I need to get a pic of me riding on it though. I got to see what I look like on it, because that's an important factor for me. Do I look cool enough on it doing a burnout? Kind of cool. Not as cool as a Suron burnout, but a front wheel scooter burnout at low speeds is still kind of sweet. Dude, it's cool. It's a cool front wheel burnout. And it keeps burning out. Dude, it's Tokyo Drift over here. So that is the Varla Falcon. It's pretty interesting. Not too heavy, heavier than the Wasp, lighter than the dual-wheel drive Pegasus. It's right in there, in between. So depending on what you guys need it for, here's your options. You got the Varla Wasp, which goes 16 miles an hour. It weighs nothing, and it folds up really tiny. Then, that's like a last mile if your last mile is literally a mile. If your last mile is 5 miles, and it's a cool bike path, or, you know, hills, I think you got to upgrade to the Falcon. And if your last mile is 12 miles of canyon roads, and there's a bunch of other bird scooters also taking the same route, you got to go with the Varla Pegasus dual-wheel drive 9-inch wheels, or the 8-inch wheels that are explosion proof. That's going to be the video. If you are interested in one of these, the Falcon or the Wasp, use my little link down below. It'll send you right to Varla. Let them know that I sent you. Huge shout out to all my patrons. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. You put diesel directly into my bus tank. And you also help me buy other fun little stupid things that YouTubers need. Get after it. Chase your dreams. Good enough isn't. Support your local loophole. Peace.